friends, I am here to explore and teach.
Hello friends, I am Elsa of Frozen. I come here to meet you all on Teacher's Day. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Pastor Savisay of Class 1. I am a pastor and I pray for peace and joy. Thank you. Good morning everyone, I am a teacher and I teach children like you all. Hello guys, I want to become a batman and explore the world. Thank you, see you later. Hello everyone, I am your cabin crew name of class. It's my pleasure to be hostess today. Thank you. मेरा नाम सिंतेजन है। मैं कब्जा ऐप में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ। Hello guys, I am Lazalo. Tazapa, Gonji Chapa. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Regule of Class 1. I am a doctor and I treat sick people in sick. Thank you.
The theme of our song is that every job, every work is important in their own field. So whether we are a carpenter, a teacher, a doctor, a cabin crew, or anything else, we must respect someone's job. That's all for our song from Class 1. Thank you all.